Imagine a world where your everyday devices communicate securely through blockchain and AI. That's exactly the vision behind Jasmy Coin. But the big question is Jasmy the next crypto rocket ship ready to take off? Jasmy Coin has recently captured the attention of the crypto market, sparking debates among investors about whether it could be the next big breakout. Often referred to as the Japanese Bitcoin, Jasmy stands out because of its integration of blockchain with the Internet of Things, IoT, and artificial intelligence, AI. This powerful combination aims to give users full control over their personal data, while enabling companies to create smarter, more secure IoT applications. With its bold vision, Jasmy has quickly gained traction, especially in Asian markets, and is steadily attracting global attention. At its core, Jasmy Coin's mission is to provide a secure and decentralized way of managing IoT data. In a world where billions of devices from smart home systems to industrial sensors are constantly collecting information, data privacy and security have become critical. Jasmy aims to solve this challenge by allowing individuals to safely own, share, and even monetize their data. By blending blockchain's immutability with AI-driven insights, Jasmy offers a futuristic solution that could disrupt industries, ranging from healthcare and finance to logistics and smart cities. This clear and practical vision is one of the main reasons why many investors see potential in Jasmy. The cryptocurrency's roadmap is equally ambitious. Partnerships with Japanese corporations and IoT-focused companies are already in motion, boosting its credibility. Jasmy has also been listed on several major exchanges, which has improved its accessibility and liquidity. Reports suggest that its daily trading volume often crosses millions of dollars, showing growing investor interest. While Jasmy is still small compared to giants like Bitcoin or Ethereum, its focus on a specific niche data security gives it a unique advantage. Its niche positioning could help it capture a dedicated user base, similar to how Chainlink carved out dominance in blockchain oracles. Of course, the road to success isn't without challenges. The crypto market is notorious for volatility. Jasmy's price history reflects sharp rises followed by steep corrections. Investors must also consider competition, since several other blockchain projects are targeting IoT solutions, including IOTA and vCain. Regulatory uncertainty is another factor, especially as governments around the world tighten cryptocurrency laws. For Jasmy to succeed long-term, it must demonstrate not only strong technology, but also compliance with evolving regulations. Scalability is another concern, as the platform must be able to support millions of daily transactions if adoption grows. Despite these challenges, there are reasons to remain optimistic. Expert analyses highlight Jasmy's strong fundamentals, especially its focus on personal data protection in a world increasingly worried about privacy breaches. Recent collaborations with tech and IoT firms signal real-world use cases beyond speculation, which is a critical factor for long-term value growth. Some analysts believe Jasmy could ride the global wave of AI and IoT adoption, potentially seeing exponential growth if its solutions gain mainstream acceptance. For example, as smart homes, autonomous cars, and wearable tech expand, the need for secure and decentralized data solutions will only increase. Another factor driving attention is investor sentiment. Crypto communities, particularly in Japan and Asia, have shown strong support for Jasmy. The coin has become one of the most traded assets on Japanese exchanges, which suggests retail interest is high. This grassroots popularity, combined with partnerships and technological innovation, sets the stage for potential explosive growth. While price predictions vary, many experts suggest that if Jasmy can deliver on its roadmap and scale effectively, it could experience a significant surge in value over the next few years. In conclusion, Jasmy Coin represents a fascinating intersection of blockchain, AI, and IoT. Its focus on solving real-world problems like data privacy and security makes it more than just another speculative crypto project. However, challenges like market volatility, competition, and regulation cannot be ignored. Investors should weigh these risks carefully while considering the coin's long-term potential. Jasmy's unique vision, partnerships, and growing adoption suggest that it is indeed a coin worth watching closely in the ever-evolving crypto landscape. So what do you think? Is Jasmy Coin the next breakout star of the crypto world, or will it remain just another bold experiment? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth cryptocurrency insights and updates.